Welcome, friends. How are you? I hope you are all better and good. So, stay safe and stay at home. So, don't wander outside of the house. So, thank you very much. And now we are going to learn something about confidence. So, you know everything about confidence, right? So, the greater things you can make through confidence. The history recorded that only confidence people make history. If you search, if you know about that history and you make the history, you know that confidence people make history. So now we are going to learn about the lack, what is the causes for lack of confidence. First you have to know what is the minus points, why people are lacking confidence. The first thing is doubt, right? Doubting yourself. Don't doubt yourself because you are a unique creation in this world. There is no person on the earth like you. So you have unique powers within you. You have unique strengths and skills within you. So don't doubt yourself. Doubting yourself means it means you are lacking confidence. You are making your strength useless. So don't doubt yourself. Have confidence in you, on your strengths and skills, and go ahead. Remember that. Don't doubt yourself. You are a unique creation in this world. You are a unique creation in this world. You are a unique person in this world. Okay, don't doubt yourself. I am repeating again and again because doubting kills your strengths. Doubting kills your strength. Okay. The second thing is lack of self-esteem. Lack of self-esteem causes lack of self-confidence. Lack of self-esteem means it means you are not loving yourself. The basic step towards building the self esteem in your life is to love yourself and take care of yourself, eat best food, and take care of yourself in every area of your life. Loving yourself build your self esteem. You are worth more than others are thinking. Okay, don't hate yourself, don't criticize yourself, don't make yourself weak. What you are thinking, you will become like that. There is a great person said this word. What you are thinking, become your life. Strength is life and weakness is death. Okay. So I suggest you, not suggest you, I strongly say you that have self-esteem in your life because it is a key point. The third thing is lack of knowledge. How can you express yourself and how can you tell about the topic and product without having any knowledge about that? Have knowledge about everything because lack of knowledge will become a hinder in your life. When you lack your knowledge, you cannot express anything. Means you don't have confidence to express the things which is useful to other and which will help you to become more and more and grow and grow. The fourth thing is lack of rejection. Don't take rejection as your personal because people are not rejecting you, people are rejecting your proposal, people are rejecting your opinion, not you. Think that. Don't take rejections as your personal. If you take rejection as your personal, it will kill your confidence. So when somebody reject you, take it easy because your opinions are different and their opinions are different. There is no agreement. There is no rule that others must accept your proposals and your opinions. Everybody have their uniqueness and their own opinions about everything. So don't expect others to accept you. Just you have to be faithful yourself. You have to be express yourself in a good manner. Others will whether others will accept you or not and accept your proposal or not, it doesn't matter. Have confidence what you are saying have confidence what you are doing, have confidence in you. It will make you strengthen, give strength to in every area of your life. I hope you are understand. Coming videos, we are going to discuss about many topics which will help us to grow in your life and in my life. Because every time we have to make ourselves grow. Every time we have to feed ourselves with strength. Use your skills. Use your talents for you, for others, for the society. God created you unique as a unique creator, unique creation in this world. God given you a different unique talents and strengths in you. Use that for mankind. Use that for yourself and for better lives. I hope you understand. And coming videos, we are going to discuss more topics about and good things, more topics, and it will definitely help us to grow. Thank you very much.